We're here in Philadelphia at the 2018 Automation Fair event where the top companies in industrial automation gather in one place so we can see their innovative technologies. I'm Teresa Hauk, Executive Editor of the Journal from Rockwell Automation and our partner network magazine. One of those top companies is EPLAN, and I'm here talking with Andrew. So Andrew, for people who don't know what EPLAN does, tell us about your company.
So EPLAN, in a short segment, is the very first computer-aided engineering software company. We were developed in 1984, and it's strictly electrical engineering. Electrical engineering is our bread and butter, it's our DNA. We will never venture out to the architectural side, we will never venture out to the mechanical side. It is electrical engineering, and what makes us stand out from other companies, some of our competitors, is we take away the manual process from the beginning stages to kitting all the way down to the manufacturing shop floor, and we automate everything. We standardize your process, we standardize your workflow, and we overall standardize your entire operation.
And I know that you're proud of the differentiation, and one of those is the product you are highlighting here. Tell us about that.
Correct. So PAM, it's a panel building automation matrix. It is the very first world-class business consultancy tool for the engineering industry. It shows you your current workflow to an optimized workflow utilizing EPLAN. It's able to, with 12 questions, explain to you what your bottlenecks are throughout your entire phase, throughout your entire manufacturing phase. If you look up here, the smart value chain, I think you guys went over it last year. So you have 10 fields of action. The 10 fields of action, starting from kitting, mechanical installation, panel modification, terminal strip assembly, all the way to testing the actual panel itself. And the way it's done is we did a case study of 150 panel builders worldwide, 50 being here in the US, using the standard Rittal TS8 standing panel. They had the exact same 500 wires, 4 cutouts in the doors, all of the same information. And from there, we did the case study of them utilizing a manual process and then utilizing an automated process. And from there, that's how we created the algorithm for PAM.
That's a lot of research, and it's very important.
Yes, it is very, very important.
But it's useful to your users, and I know there's a lot more to learn about PAM, so go to the URL you see on the screen and learn about how they can help you and what the difference is between them and their competitors. I'm Teresa Hauk at the 2018 Automation Fair event. I'll see you next time.